Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to promote your content on TikTok. So let's jump right straight into this video. So we launched the TikTok app. Next, visit your profile by clicking on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Okay, so this is our profile home. So you can run your ads by selecting the particular post you want to use to run ads. Okay, we want to run ads on this one. So select that. Click on the three dots just below the save icon. Then you click on increase views. So this will automatically send you to the promotion page. Okay, so this is one way for you to boost your posts. So I'm going to show you another method or approach you could use to access this promote page. All right, so let's go back. Then let's go back to our profile home. Okay, so this is the one I prefer instead of scrolling down, but whichever one you like, they still work fine. So click on the menu button at the top right corner, which is the three horizontal lines. Next, we'll click on business suite. Next, we click on promote. So the first step is to choose your goal. So we have the first option of to boost account. So the first one is boost account. Under the boost account, we have more video views, more followers, more profile views. Okay, similar to what we have on Instagram, which is called profile visit. The next goal is get sales. So if we go for that one, we're going to find more website visits. So this one automatically sends them to a particular landing page or your website. Then the last one is get leads. Okay, which helps you to get more messages or you get more phone calls. So for this particular campaign, we're going to go for get leads. Okay, because basically it's going to send people to your DM. So you could also go for phone call if you want, but let's go for more messages. Okay, so the next one is to select your content. We're going to select our content. So you just choose one of these videos you want to promote or one of the flyers. Okay, so let's select the same post we selected when we wanted to boost the post directly from the content. So I'm going to click on promote. Okay, so you can see we selected the post we want to use. Next is custom promotion. So define your audience. So we have default, TikTok chooses for you. Next one is custom. So you might want to go for the default where you allow TikTok algorithm to help you out with it, or you go for the custom. So if we select the custom, this page is going to open where we're going to select the demographics. Okay, so let's say I might target people interested in business services, apparel and accessories. Okay, but in my own case, since I'm a service based, I would most likely go for just business services. But to be honest, for this particular campaign, I would prefer using the default audience, okay, where TikTok is going to choose. But if you want to use the custom, after you click on the custom, so for those of you who sell women fashion, you would want to target just females. Then you select the demographic, maybe 25 and above, depending on how your products are. Okay, so you might want to select people interested in beauty and personal care. For myself, I'm going to focus on people that want business services. Okay, yeah, so you might want to, for those of you in fashion industry, you might also want to target apparel and accessories. Okay, so you just select the one that fits into your target audience. Okay, and if you want to unselect anyone, you click on it again. So you can see I just unselected the business services. So once I'm done, I click on save. That is how to save a custom audience. Okay, so you can see we're targeting only female from age 25 to 54, and the interest is beauty and personal care, apparel and accessories. Okay, but for this video we'll just go with the default audience. Let TikTok choose for us. Okay, then next you select your budget, so you could decide to run your ads for 1008 per day or whichever one you can. I'm going to recommend that you run your ads for at least 7 days so that the system has enough time to deliver your ads properly. Okay, but since this is just a tutorial just to prove to you that it works, so we're just going to go for the minimum budget available there. Okay, then for the duration you might want to put your ads to up to 7 days. Okay, it's a pretty good one, but for this tutorial let's just leave it at 2 days. Okay, all right, so after you're done, the next thing you want to do is to click on the recharge. That is, if you don't have any coin. So this is how you could buy new coins for your ads. Okay, so you could also buy from here. So let's assume we want to buy this one that says 1007. So click on recharge. Then this is going to open up GPay, which is Google Pay. So we're just going to do one tap buy and we're going to be able to pay for this. Okay, so you can see payment successful. Okay, so after we're done buying some coins, then we click on start. So you can see the debit alert for the coins we just bought. So you can see that the campaign has been launched already. So you could do this if you want, but we're going to leave this for now. Let's focus on what we're doing. Alright, so you see how easy it is to launch a TikTok ad campaign. So next we're going to move backwards. I'm also going to show you so this is the dashboard. So don't forget, the first option is the create. This is where you can create your campaign, while here is the dashboard. Okay, the second one, which is dashboard, while here is mine, something customized. Okay, but let's click on the dashboard. The dashboard is where you're going to see all your active ad campaigns or your campaigns that are under review or the campaigns you've run before. So before now I've actually launched a campaign before which was focused on getting me new followers. Okay, so this is the campaign. You can see it shows completed. So just to show you that TikTok ads really works. Okay, so that's why we're doing all of this. All right, so you can see this. So this is basically how to analyze your ads performance, especially the one that has completed. Okay, so you can see ad cost, the amount that was spent. So you can see the duration was just a day. The goal was more followers, and the promotion result was ad cost was 1000 naira, 22 followers, 45.45 naira per follower. So video views, you could see the number of persons that viewed the video, average watch time. You could see it was very small though, so watched full video. Okay, so the profile views from the followers objective is just 7 likes. We got like 28 and 1 comment. So this is the demographic. We had more males compared to females. Okay, and there's still more demography. So if you want to check out the age, you click on the age, you see the age bracket that viewed your content the most, and also the region. and also the region. So you could see Lagos, Katsina, Rivers, Uyo, Federal Capital, and others. So basically, TikTok will deliver your ads to people in your primary region, which you set up while creating your account. Okay, so ours is already Nigeria, provided you're in Nigeria, and if you're not using VPN, so definitely your location will be Nigeria. So you could see that the ad actually did well. At least a lot of persons in Lagos saw the adverts. So we had like 45% in Lagos, we had Katsina 18%, we have people in River State about 14%, we had other people in Uyo, Federal Capital Territory, and others. Okay, so this is beautiful, right? Then you could also see the interest, people who found it more interesting. Okay, so you could also promote this particular content again if you want. So you can confirm that TikTok ads really works very, very fine. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go. This is Business Suite. Now these are profile home. Okay, so you could also launch a video if you want. You could also launch a video. I'm going to advise you that you could also try running multiple ad campaigns, then you leave the one that performs best. Okay, so you could pause the one that is not performing properly and you allow the ones that are performing pretty well to continue running. Okay, so especially let's say if you want to grow your followers. So let's click on the menu button at the top right corner again. Then we'll click on Business Suite. Then we'll click on Promote. Okay, so choose your goal. For this particular one, we'll just select any video. Okay, so let's not take too long. So I'm going to select boost account, then we're going to go for more followers. Okay, so I'm going to select a content. So let's just go with the first video we find here. Okay, so we're going to promote this particular video that says get started with your business goals. So we'll select that, click on promote. Okay, so for this one, we're going to select customize. So let's customize this one. So click on customize. Yeah, so we're going to use the default audience. For our budget, we use the minimum and we're going to use 1 day. Okay, so don't forget we already have enough coins, so which is why it's going to allow us to start the campaign. So we made a video that teaches you how to fund or how to buy coins on TikTok. So we cover the one for the app, the mobile app, and also the web version. The web version is very good, especially for iPhone users and also Android users that want to escape the fees in which Android charges for in-app purchases, and also iPhone's iOS in-app purchases. So kindly visit the description section of this video to access that guide and other resources. So click on start to launch this video views ad. Okay, so you can see how easy and sweet this is. Okay, so next it's taking us to our dashboard. Okay, so you can see it's under review. So we just move backward. Let's allow it. So don't forget, just in case, we're going to do some recap. So let's assume that after visiting your profile home, you want to visit your previous campaigns and also your active campaigns or the campaigns that are currently in review. So you click on the menu button at the top right corner. Next you click on Business Suite. Next you click on Promote. Okay, after you click on Promote, this page is going to show up. Next you click on Dashboard. Okay, so Dashboard is going to show you, it's more like your analytics where you're going to find every other campaign. Okay, so you can see the one we just ran for the flyer is active while the video is still under review, while the other one has been completed a long time ago. So that's all for this video. So do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of content to help you succeed in your business. So see you guys in the next video, and bye for now.